If you're encountering the Xbox Series X Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to resolve the issue and regain access to your saved games. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to ensure that there are no ongoing service outages or issues affecting cloud saves. If there are problems, wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely and unplug it from the power source for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on to refresh the system. Step 3. Clear local save data. Go to Settings, then System, and select Storage. Choose the option to clear local save data. This will not delete your cloud saves but will remove any corrupted local files that may be causing the error. Step 4. Resync your cloud saves. After clearing local data, launch the game that is experiencing the error. It should prompt you to sync your cloud saves. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sync process. Step 5. Update your console. Ensure that your Xbox Series X is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and then Updates to check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying your games. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.